Hello, Roaming Rigs. Just going to do a quick kind of review, not an install video because there's a couple of them out there already, but the MESO Customs Volume Fix Kit. So two things that I'm going to use that the other installs videos don't show is a plastic pry bar. Also going to have a towel so I can prevent the airbag from scratching up my console. All right, now that I got everything I need, let me get this swapped out and I'll see how it looks. Now, never thought I'd be looking at the inside of my steering wheel, but there's two screws here. Pop those out. But literally, this thing just comes right out. Super simple. Got one zip tie and a clip right here. So very, very easy to pop out. I'll go disassemble this and put the button in. So I didn't exactly record it, but it's literally just 3 screws on the back. You pop them out. You pop the button out after pulling the 3 clips off, and then there's a little white collar around the back side of the 4-way button. You just pull that off as well. You're going to transfer that to the new button and then reassemble it just as you took it apart. It's pretty easy. Literally took like 5 minutes. I'm going to go throw this in the truck and we'll test it out before putting everything back together. So I'm going to throw this in. Literally, it's just that. I'll grab a zip tie. Just for this one zip point here. Couple screws. Tip. If it's a 2022, it's a T30, not a T25. Some people are saying it's T25 on the internet. I think it depends on your model though. Mine's a T30, just keep that in mind. You're getting your tools ready or whatever to get this started. Now the only thing left to do is put these little covers back on. And just like that, we have buttons that make sense. So we have track back, track forward, and volume up, volume down. The way it's meant to. I gotta say that the finish is perfect. Looks just like your original. The buttons look perfect, so I give it a 5 out of 5. It wasn't that hard to do, and you know, if you're not afraid of taking things apart and putting them back together, it's super easy. So, awesome. For $50, definitely worth it.